Brotherhood ball, ha?
Okay, brotherhood ball. Okay, Misa. Ugapion. Twelve to shoot.
Teka lang, sir. Hintayin natin yung ano. Teka lang, hintayin natin yung decision, hintayin natin.
Basket yun, nasa area yung ball.
Hintayin natin yung decision.
Basket yun, tapos foul
Okay,
yun.
wait lang tayo sa decision nating referee.
Silva, project nila.
Okay,
APA tayo?
15, oh, EPA.
Pangasinan
okay, basket count. And double foul. Basket count. And double foul.
Sa inyo, sir. Sa APA tayo, sir.
Basket count talaga yung basket count yun. Nasa taas yung ball eh.
Okay, inbound. Okay, nagawan. Gabion. No good.
Pumasok yan. Ito si Harry.
Jersey number 4, fast break. It's okay, may foul.
Ilan na yun? Graduate na.
Ilan na si Gabi?
Grabe na strict. Okay, nagtatanong lang ako.
Tatlo. Nagtanong kayo, ikaw rin sumagot eh. Graduate na eh. Si Gabi
Pag yun, di nyo pitiran. Huwag ka dyan, dun ka sa likod.
Okay, second throw, prepare for rebound. Gabion, third personal foul.
Tatlo, sir. Tatlo. Alam ni Gabi.
Yes, 1 point to Siko. Misa, pass to Gabion. Drive. Yes. 2 points. Okay, no good. Time out. Pangasinan.
Dalawa na lang tayo mo.
Dalawa na lang yung timeout ng Pangasinan. Score 46-41. Lamang ng 5 puntos ang Pangasinan. Okay, back to the ball game.
Kasi yung one to pusa. Lalabas na lang nakatupoy.
Inbound Gabion, pass to Misa. Knock. Foul.
Team pulse.
Foul, jersey number 13. Second personal foul, jersey number 13. And a 13 foul. Kaya foul.
Limara la.
Jersey number 22, Luna. Third personal foul, Luna, and a warning for a penalty, Brotherhood. Yes, 1 point. Yes, basket count. Kay Misa. Pauto for 3. Rebound Cosseco. Jersey number 4. No good. Gabion. Gabion crossover. Iwa foul.
Tawag yan, sir. Katawag yan.
Foul, jersey
Sub,
number
sub.
7. Substitution.
Uy. Pagkain pala ron ah.
Okay, no good. Second row, prepare for rebound.
Di, ano man mo? Palamanan mo. Sige. Sige. Sige.
Okay, rebound Martin. Cosseco pass to jersey number 15. Marmol. Crossover. May kasamang foul. Foul, jersey number 11. First personal foul, Pauto. And a penalty situation. Yes, 1 point. Second row, prepare for rebound now. Misa. For 3. Okay, rebound na Cosseco. Pass to jersey number 4. Okay, loose ball. Bola na Brotherhood. Inbound Misa, pass to Gabion. Naagaw. Martin. No good. Okay, loose ball. Bola ng Brotherhood. Okay, Misa. Gabion. Nice pass. Yes. Easy 2 points. Martin. Okay, foul.
Penalty.
Foul, jersey number 22. Fourth personal foul. And a penalty situation. Okay, jersey number 4. Tutros. Yes, 1 point. Second group prepare for rebound. Yes, 1 point. Misa. Jersey number 11. Okay, loose ball. Bola ng Brotherhood.
Kita pala ni Boyski yun. Si Boyski ah.
Gapion. Umisa for 3.
Abutan niya.
Rebound in the flash. Gapion. Okay, Marmol. Nice pass. No good. Hey, the flash. Gusto Bravo. Okay, foul. Foul, jersey number 4.
Ilang pa ano namin? Ilang pa?
First personal foul.
Dalawa ba?
Jersey number 4 and a third team foul. Pangasinan. Bravo. Pass to the flash.
Uy!
No good. Jersey number 4. Yes, 2 points. Hey, Bravo. Misa. Okay, rebound. Okay, may foul.
Uli.
Foul number 26. First personal foul, Misa.
Time out.
Okay, a penalty situation.
Anong bola? Kaninong bola?
Penalty.
Okay, Marble, I love you.
Okay, first row. 1 point.
I love you.
Second row, prepare for rebound.
Bago pag-ilap ko sa'yo siguro. Isa pa. Up.
Yes, 1 point.
I love you, boy.
Mga clear spot dapat ang sabihin. Walang
Okay, Misa. Still. Okay, foul. Foul, jersey number 11. Blocking foul. Penalty situation. Second personal foul, Bauto, and a penalty. Yes, 1 point.
I love you, Marble.
lalo lang kayo aasarin yan.
Yes, counted. Kay Misa. Kay Misa, pass to the flush. Misa. Still. Marmola. May foul. Foul. Jersey number 26. Holding foul. Second personal foul, Misa. And a penalty. Yes, 1 point. Second row prepare for rebound. Okay, rebound Gapion. Foul counted. Counted foul.
Technical na na. Tinik-tik dito.
Okay, 2 free throws. Counted. One free throw. Sorry, bonus shot. Yes, 1 point. Okay, Marmola, pass to jersey number 4. Okay, traveling violation. Jersey number 11. Foul. Foul, jersey number 7, Kusiko. And a penalty.
Both team ha, penalty sa
Penalty, both team. No good. Second row prepare for rebound. Yes, 1 point. Time to shoot. Kaya, bola ng Brotherhood. Loose ball. Marmol. Nice pass. Yes, 2 points.
Down.
Gabion. Umisa. In and out. Foul. Foul, jersey number 26, a holding foul. Penalty situation. Third personal foul, Misa, and penalty both teams. Yes, 1 point. Okay, prepare for rebound.
Ilan na lang daw timeout nila, sir? Dalawa na
Okay,
lang.
basket
Dalawa na.
count.
Hindi. Nagtanong lang.
Ay mo sila ngayon?
Hindi.
Diretso Boyski, tabing nilang. Diretso, tabing nilang eh.
Okay, Marmola. Kaya basket count. Foul, jersey.
Diretso tayo nila.
Apat ka na pagilya.
Jersey number 21. Substitution.
Boyski out.
Si Boyski.
Third personal foul. Boyski.
Nice Boyski.
Okay, basket count. Score 65-47. Misa, 3 points. Misa. No good. Still, Marmol. Martin. Yes, 2 points. Martin. Bravo. Jersey number 11. Tumisa. Rebound to Siko. Pass to Martin. Martin. No good. Okay, rebound Gabion. Bravo. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. And penalty. Both teams.
Bigyan mo na oxygen yun, no? Nakapos na.
Nabigay na. Pumasok na.
Rebound. Still. Misa. No good. Rebound ko Siko. Pass to jersey number. No good. Yes, 2 points. Martin. Loose ball.
Sap.
Substitution.
Grabe mo.
Bravo. Pass to Misa. To Gabion. Padilla pass to Bravo. Gabion.
Nasanay sa ano.
Wala.
Batik. Okay.
Nice pass.
Danilo, amo man tatay kanan. Gawm na pa man. Kami.
Kay Padilla. To Misa. Yes, 3 points. Misa. 24 seconds.
Hey, lasyan.
20.
Lasyan. Ayaw kay Marmol. Lasyan.
15. 10.
Buwa ka na, Paul. Basket.
Okay. End of third quarter. Score 73-53 in favor Pangasinan. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Brotherhood. Inbound jersey number 22. Pass to Bravo. Pauto to Bravo. Nice move. Okay, loose ball. Marmol to De La Cruz. De La Cruz.
Kaya mo yan. Iwan mo.
Pintura to De La Cruz. Okay, loose ball.
Kinatataog ko eh.
Bola ng Brotherhood. Kay Misa. Misa to Bravo. Jersey number 11.
Alat si Pauto ngayon.
Ventura. Okay, a foul. Foul, jersey number 7, pushing foul.
Timeout daw sila. Timeout daw.
Timeout, Brotherhood.
Isa na lang timeout ng brother.
Isa na lang ang timeout ng Brotherhood.
Luna, apat ka na.
Okay, first row no good. Second row prepare for rebound.
Nice din.
Bravo.
Coming.
Bravo.
Walang tres. Walang tres.
Misa for 3. Yes, 3 points. Misa. Kaya pa. Hey, rebound, Bravo. Yes, nice 2 points. Gabion. Marmol. Okay, still. Yes, 2 points.
Timeout.
Okay, Martin. Rebound, Misa. Okay, pula ng Brotherhood.
Tayo muna kami.
Timeout. Pangasinan. Tag-isa na lang yung timeout. Both team. Okay, Bravo.
Eight to shoot. 5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Okay, may foul. Foul. Okay, okay, back to the ball game.
Sige, okay lang.
Okay, remaining time 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, jersey number 4. Sa ilalim.
Bye.
Okay,
Timeout.
okay, foul jersey number 26.
Dito ka lang, Noy.
Di, ano niya, hindi.
Yes, 1 point.
Counted yung kanina.
Yes, 1 point.
Tayong pala ganyan, kaya lang, dito sa loob.
Okay, Bravo. Loose ball. Score 76-60 in favor Pangasinan.
Clear.
Marmol. Okay, loose ball. Bola ng Brotherhood.
Baba. Harap.
Okay, Padilla. Pauto.
Hindi lang talaga nagreklamo.
Martin.
Hindi lang talaga.
Yes, 2 points. Okay, Bravo. Jersey number 11. In and out. Marmol. No good. Okay, Misa. For 3. Yes, 2 points, Pauto. Usigo. Misa.
Ganun na mag-ano dito sa ano. Kung maghahamon ng blue.
Yes, 2 points, Misa. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 35 seconds for our final quarter. Usigo. Still. Yes, 2 points. 12 points lead na lang.
Sab.
Loose ball. Substitution.
Right.
Loose ball.
Wala yun.
Okay, Marmol. Jersey number 4, Martin. Yes, 2 points. Basic lang ni Martin. Padilla. Pauto. Yes, 3 points. Marmol. Martin, yes, 2 points. Okay, bad pass. Marmol. Oh, good. Okay, Misa. Jersey number 11. Yes, 3 points. Jersey number 4. Loose ball. Bravo. Tumisa. Pauto. Okay, Velasco. To Martin. Wow. Padilla. Misa. Padilla. Pauto. Yes, 3 points. Pauto. Iya. Misa. Yes, 2 points. Bravo. Yes, 2 points on Luna. 11 points lead. Okay, still. Bravo. Pauto. Okay, foul. Foul, jersey number 11, Pauto. Third personal foul and a third team foul. Ten to shoot. 5. Still. Last 2 minutes. Yes, 2 points, Padilla. No good. Luna. Misa. No good. Okay, a foul. Foul, jersey number 11. Fourth personal foul. Jersey number 11 and fourth team foul. Brotherhood. For 3. Luna. Padilla. Misa. Yes, 3 points. Time out. Pangasinan. Score. Okay, back to the ball game. 6 points lead. Okay, use ball. Last 1 minute and 1 second. 16 seconds shot clock.
Wala pa bola!
Okay.
Penalty, penalty, penalty. Penalty na.
Okay, foul. Number 26, fourth personal foul. And a penalty situation.
Alam na ni Barbol yan. Nabantayan ang pulis. Isa pa sila?
Meron pa isa.
Yes, 1 point.
Time out kayo, sir, pag pumasok.
Yes, 1 point. $55. Yes. That's 45. 40.
14 seconds.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. A foul. Foul. Jersey number 22. And 5 personal foul.
Ano yung highlight mo doon?
Hmm?
Yung highlight mo?
Hindi, ano ko lang. Ano ko lang doon sa bagong page. I-download ko lang.
Okay, time out. Brotherhood. Okay, parehas na walang time out.
4 seconds.
34 seconds.
14 seconds shot.
14 seconds shot clock.
Nice.
30 seconds. 8 to shoot. Hey, loose ball. Last 22 seconds. Wala nang timeout both teams.
22 seconds ha.
22 seconds. Okay, foul. Last 21 seconds. Foul jersey number 7. Second personal foul and penalty. Yes, 1 point. Yes, 1 point. Last 21 seconds. $15. Foul. Foul, jersey number 4. Third personal foul, jersey number 4. Yes, 1 point. Last 12 seconds remaining. Counted. 10. A foul. Third personal foul. Penalty. Yes, 1 point. Yes, 1 point. Okay. Congratulations, Pangasinan. Winner, Pangasinan. Yes, winner.
Kamay tayo.
Okay, our best player of the game. Marmol.
Si number 3.